This was very egregious behavior.
Judge Kathleen McGuire is talking about Erica Blizzard, who police say was going 84 in a 65-mile-per-hour zone on I-93. The date was March 19th, one day after a jury convicted her of negligent homicide for crashing a boat and killing a friend. Trooper Ronald Taylor says he stepped into the road to slow traffic and pull over Blizzard's SUV.
I'm motioning over with both my hands like this.
Taylor says Blizzard slowed down but was fumbling with her cell phone and not making eye contact with him.
At that point, I continued flagging, and then once it came to a point where I felt it was unsafe, I quickly moved back into the high-speed lane.
Blizzard was ticketed for negligent driving.
Once I had her license and registration, I explained to her why she was being stopped, and it was for the speeding, the lane change, where I didn't see the turn signal used, and that she nearly struck me.
It was enough for a prosecutor to ask that Blizzard's license be suspended and that her bail be converted to $75,000 cash. Blizzard's attorney argued there wasn't proof her behavior was negligent and that converting the bail was equivalent to putting her in jail.
She clearly posed a danger to other people in the community, the way she was operating her vehicle that evening. I think I would be in my rights to revoke her bail and have her incarcerated forthwith.
Instead, Judge McGuire changed the bail to cash. Blizzard was cuffed and held for a short time until her mother returned with the money. The judge also revoked Blizzard's license until she's sentenced for negligent homicide in April. In Laconia, Heather Hamill, WMUR News 9.